Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a list view in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go to the object where we want to create a list view. In my case, I'm just going to the accounts, and from here we can find that this is already a list view, and we can find the list view controls. And basically, all we need to do is just click. And here, I'm just going to create a new list view. So I'm just going to click on new. And as you can see, I can give it a name. So my new view or my list view or whatever. And it will be the same here. And you can also choose some permissions of who can see the list view. You can make it something private for you, so it's just you that you can see it for some specific reasons, or you want just some specific information to check for your work, etc. And simply we need just to click on save. So after that, you will be able to start manipulating your view. So now we can click again on the gear icon, and from here you can start edit the list filter. Now we can start adding to filter by owner or my account, etc. So you can add another filter. So let's filter, for example, by an account site, and uh, I don't know, it can be any version. So let's make it just an LL, and basically uh, you can click on save, and it will be none since there is no account sign that has this. Also, you can start controlling the columns, etc. So let's just edit the list filters, and it will take us to here again. So let's just remove, and basically you can also start choosing the list display if you would like, and you can start renaming or select the feeds to display in your list view. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.